Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tattoo Wala Talks. This is your host and dost Rahul Venkat from Inkwell Tattoo Studio, Mumbai. So today's topic is going to be 10 myths about tattooing. ये वीडियो मैं इसीलिए पोस्ट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज 2 दिन पहले मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोल डाला था एंड उसके रिव्यूज़ के बेसिस में मैं आपको ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ एंड काफ़ी लोगों का इंटरेक्शन हुआ था. सो होप यू गाइज लाइक माई वीडियो एंड डू वॉच माई वीडियो टिल द एंड. ऑल्सो नीचे का जो रेड बटन है उसको क्लिक करना और सब्सक्राइब करना मेरा चैनल को और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक्स देना मेरा चैनल को ताकि मुझे और मोटिवेशंस मिले आप लोगों के लिए ऐसे वीडियोस लेके आने के लिए. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ. Myth number 1. Tattoo machines contain only one needle. So according to the poll, 65% लोगों ने बताया था कि ये एक myth है and 35% लोगों ने बताया कि ये truth है. So मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि this is a myth. So tattoo machines have different needles depending upon the size and depending upon the work what you want to do. They are grouped in odd numbers normally. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. etc. Also, you will find curved needles, you will find flat needles and you will find sharp needles also in the tattoo needles. So, ये आंसर से आपको बहुत क्लियर हो जाता है कि tattoo machines have different types of needle as per your work and as per the area that you want to cover. Myth number 2. Applying a lot of ointment to a healing tattoo can make heal the tattoo faster. So according to the poll, 69% of the people said that this is a myth and 31% of the people said this is truth. So guys, this is a myth because applying a lot of ointment on your tattoo area can cause boils and rashes on your skin because your tattoo needs to breathe in air. Tattoo is a wound in your skin for the next 2 weeks till the time it heals. So अगर आप अप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट उस पर लगाते नहीं हो और अगर आप बहुत ही कम ऑइंटमेंट लगाते हो तो भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. तो इसमें अगर आपको सेफ रहना है तो आपको थोड़ा बहुत ही ऑइंटमेंट अप्लाई करना है. थोड़ा बहुत का मतलब है वेरी थिन लेयर ऑफ ऑइंटमेंट ऑन द टैटू एरिया, नॉट टू मच, नॉट टू लेस. Myth number 3. Getting into a pool with chlorinated water can fade the tattoo color. So according to my Instagram poll, मुझे इस सवाल पे 50-50 का परसेंटेज का रेशियो मिला था. So I would like to give my take on this answer. So basically this is a myth. If you get into a pool with chlorinated water, it would not fade your tattoo. But if you have a fresh tattoo, which means your tattoo is say 1 week to 3 weeks old and you get into the pool or your tattoo is like in the healing stage, that can affect your tattoo and that can make your tattoo color fade off. So if you have a healed tattoo which is like about more than a month old, you can get into chlorinated water, and if it's below a month, it's risky to get into a chlorinated water. That can then fade your tattoo color. Myth number 4. If you get a tattoo done, you will not be able to donate blood. So again, this is a myth. According to my poll, 76% of my audience have said this is false and 24% have said that this is truth. So let me just bust another myth for you. After you get your tattoo, you cannot donate blood for the next 6 months. This is because there are some pigments that mixes with your blood. After you get your tattoo done, you cannot donate blood for the next 6 months. This is because there are some pigments that mixes with your blood and your blood takes 6 months for one single purification cycle. Keeping this in mind, the doctors and the government says that if you have a tattoo which is less than 6 months old, you are not eligible to donate blood. And once your 6 months is completed, you're all set to donate blood and you're all safe. Myth number 5. Drinking alcohol or taking aspirin will help reduce your tattoo pain. So according to my Instagram poll, 83% of my audience thinks this is false and 17% of them says this is true. Alcohol and aspirin both act as blood thinners. So once you consume alcohol, there is a tendency that your blood becomes thin, and when the tattoo artist is working on your skin, there are chances that your skin will ooze a lot of blood. So this in turn is a very unhygienic situation for the artist and also for you who is getting the tattoo done. To avoid this, getting a tattoo in a very sober form is what I prefer to my clients. Myth number 6. You shouldn't be getting red ink tattoos because it fades off or gives you allergic reactions. So according to my Instagram poll, 91% of my people think that this is a false and the rest 9% thinks it's truth. The pigments in the color red has been upgraded over the years. So now any tattoo which is not taken care of properly or which is done in a wrong way, like the color packing is done in a wrong way, would fade off regardlessly of any ink or any other method. Myth number 7. If you get a tattoo done, you will not be able to enter the MRI machine because the pigments will react and make your skin to swell or the pigments to burst. By time and technology, we have upgraded with the inks and we have better and best inks now in India. So according to my poll, 77% of my people think that it's a myth and 23% thinks that it's truth. While tattoo inks may have contained a high level of metals in the past, there are much safer pigments nowadays that no longer contains metals like mercury. No metals in the ink means no reaction during the MRI. Myth number 8. When your tattoo turns old, it will look blue. So 67% of my audience thinks that it's a myth and 33% thinks it's truth. So this only happens to tattoos which were done 50 years ago. The inks used in the tattoos have now improved a lot, so that problem will not be caused in the future when you get tattoos nowadays. Myth number 9. Color ink tattoos do not look good on dark skinned people. So 70% of my audience think that this is a myth and 30% think it's truth. Dark skinned people should refrain from getting color tattoos because of their undertone. Dark skinned people should avoid getting color tattoos done because of their undertone. Also, dark skinned people should not get tattoos which are very detailed. There should be empty spaces that should be seen in the skin so that the tattoo looks very prominent and clear also. Talking about colors which will suit their skin, only say to an extent red and white can go well with dark skin. Otherwise, it's better to avoid color pigments on dark skin. So this is truth that dark skin people should avoid color tattoos and stick to black and grey so that you have a long lasting and a good tattoo on you for the rest of your life. Last but not the least, myth number 10. Long stroke lines can only be made well with coil machines. So 81% of my audience thinks that it's a myth and the rest of them thinks it's truth. So guys, now this completely depends upon the artist. I would not say that only coil machine would give you a better line stroke or a rotary machine would give you a better line stroke. So this depends upon artist to artist, he or she is comfortable with working on. So my personal preference is using coil machines for long stroke needles. You guys might be comfortable in using rotary. Well and good, you can use a rotary. Also a very important aspect is the speed of the artist's hand and the machine stroke should also go hand in hand to give you a long stroke or a clear stroke line. So if you like my video till here, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel Tattoo Alert Talks. Hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload my next video. So guys, stay happy, keep inking, and I hope I have busted a lot of myths that you guys had in mind. If you want to ask any question, you can direct message me on my Instagram. My link is mentioned in the description below. So until then, keep rocking, keep shining. This is Rahul Venkat signing off.